Haplast, your trusted partner in innovative packaging solutions. Today we are excited to introduce our top-of-the-line mailer bags to meet your every shipping needs.
Our mailer bags are crafted from high-quality materials, including co-extruded plastic film, custom HDPE, LDPE, biodegradable, and recycled materials. This ensures durability, flexibility, and environmental responsibility. Whether you're shipping clothing, documents, or small electronics, our mailer bags offer excellent protection. They are lightweight yet strong, providing a secure and cost-effective solution for your business. Our easy-to-use peel and seal adhesive strip ensures a tight, tamper-proof seal, giving you peace of mind that your items will arrive safely. At Haplast, we understand that every business has unique needs. Our mailer bags come in various sizes and thicknesses, from 30 microns to 100 microns, to suit your specific requirements. We also offer options for custom printing in up to 8 colors, allowing you to make a lasting impression. Our commitment to quality is reflected in every detail, from our bags' high tensile strength and tear resistance to their waterproof properties. Whether you need bags for e-commerce, retail, or industrial use, Haplast has you covered.
Choose Haplast mailer bag for quality, sustainability, and reliability. Visit our website and contact us today to learn more.